In this question, I'm going to solve practice question about completing the square. Let us take a look. Number 1, solve each equation by completing the square, give the exact answer. So A, we got minus x squared plus 3x plus 4. So both of sides let us multiply by minus 1. So this is the new equation. So we got x squared plus 3, not plus, minus 3x, and then minus 4 equal to 0. For the completing square, so okay, the coefficient of x squared is 1, so we can just proceed into x, and if this is negative, so we'll make it minus. Look at it, we will make it a half of the coefficient of x, so it's gonna be 3 over 2 square. So when we expand it, let's make it here. So when we expand it, it's gonna be x minus 3 over 2, we make it square, it's gonna be x squared minus 3x, and this is plus by 9 over 4. We don't want this 9 over 4, we need to be minus 4. Okay, so first we can minus by 9 over 4, then we minus by 4, because we don't need this 9 over 4. So this is not minus 9 over 4, and then minus by 4 equal to 0. Let's continue. It's going to be x minus 3 over 2 square minus by 9 over 4. Let's change it into over 4. So we times by 4. So 16 over 4 to 0. So this is x minus 3 over 2 square minus by, we got 9. 9 minus 16. Minus 9. Sorry. Minus by 16. So it's going to be minus 25 over 4 equal to 0. We have to find the exact answer. So both of sides we can plus by 25 over 4. Here also you plus 25 over 4. So we got it x minus 3 over 2 square equal to 25 over 4. To get rid of this square, so we make it square root both of sides. So it's going to be x minus 3 over 2 equal to plus minus 25. So it's going to be 5 over 2. Okay, first x here, x equal to, we plus by 3 over 2 both of sides. So we got plus minus 5 over 2 plus by 3 over 2. Okay, let's proceed here. So the first x we will use plus. So plus 5 over 2, we plus again by 3 over 2. So we got 8 over 2, which equal to 4. So this is the first x. Second x, we got minus 5 over 2. We plus by 3 over 2. So we got minus 2 over 2. So the second x gonna be minus 1. Let's continue b, but we don't have space. So let me add here some new space. Where is it? Here. Okay, so b, what was the equation? I will write it here, b. So this is x squared plus by 2x and then minus by 5 equal to 0. Okay, the coefficient of x squared is already 1, so we just make it bracket x. This is plus, so make it a half of coefficient of x 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and make it square. So what is the extra that we don't want? So x plus 1, if we make it square, it's gonna be x squared plus 2x and plus 1. We don't want this plus 1, so we will minus it by 1, and here minus by 5 equal to 0. So we got x plus 1 square minus 1 minus by 5 is going to be minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, let's plus by 6 both of sides. It's gonna be x plus 1 square equal to 6. Get rid of square, make it square root. So x plus 1 equal to plus minus square root of 6. So the first x, before there is 1 here, left side. So we can minus by 1 both of sides. So x equal to plus minus square root of 6 and then minus by 1. So the first x gonna be plus square root of 6 minus 1, and then the second x gonna be minus square root of 6 minus by 1. That is for B. Let's continue for C. Look at here, C. Let me write it here. The equation, we got 3x squared and then minus by 9x plus by 4 equal to 0. Look at here, the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So we can factorize it. Here 3. So it's gonna be x squared minus 3x. And then we plus by 4 later on. Look at it, we have done x squared minus by 3x here. So let me proceed. So 3 is gonna be x minus 3 over 2, and we make it square. Then number that we don't want, so this x minus 3 over 2, if we make it square, it's gonna be x squared minus 3x and then plus by 9 over 4. We don't want this number, so that's why we have to minus by 9 over 4. So here we will minus by 9 over 4. Okay, plus by 4 equal to 0. Okay, we'll continue. So here we got, we can expand it. So it's gonna be 3 and then bracket x minus 3 over 2 square minus by 3 times 9 is gonna be 27 over 4, and we plus by 4 equal to 0. It's gonna be 3x minus 3 over 2 square minus 27 over 4. Let us make it fraction 4. So it's gonna be 16 over 4. Because 16 we divided by 4, this equal to 4. So you got minus 27 we plus by 16. So let's continue. It's gonna be 3, then x minus 3 over 2 square, we minus by 11 over 4 equal to 0. Okay, we can plus by 11 over 4 both of sides. So we'll get it 3 and then x minus 3 over 2 square equal to 11 over 4. Let us get rid of multiplied by 3, so we divide by 3 both of sides. So we divide by 3. So it's only remaining x minus 3 over 2 square equal to this divided. So it's gonna be 11 over 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, get rid of this square. So we make it square root. So it's gonna be x minus 3 over 2 equal to plus minus square root of 11 over 12. Okay, get rid of minus 3 over 2 from the left side. So we will plus 3 over 2 both of sides. So we got first x. It's gonna be 3 over 2 plus by square root 11 over 12. And then x2, 3 over 2 minus by square root of 11 over 12. That is for the C. Remember, the coefficient of x squared need to be 1, so that we can proceed by completing the square. Okay, next we got D. You write it here. So D is 3x squared minus 2x, isn't it? 2x, minus 4x, and minus by 2 minus 4x, and then minus by 2 equal to 0. The coefficient is not 1, so yeah, let us factorize it. These two numbers, take it by 3, so it's gonna be 3, and then x squared minus by 4 over 3x minus by 2 equal to 0. Okay, the coefficient of x squared is already, so we make it here 3 bracket x squared 4 over 3 here, 4 over 3, we make it a half. This means we multiply by a half, so this is gonna be 2 over 3 minus by 2 over 3 square. What is the number that we don't want? So we can proceed here. X square minus 2 over 3 square. Not x square, it's only x. So this will give us the answer of x square minus by 4 over 3x, and then plus by 4 over 9. This is the number that we don't want. So we will minus by 4 over 9. Then last we minus by 2 equal to 0. Okay, let's expand it this 3. Then we multiply, so x 3 times x minus 2 over 3 square minus by, we go 3 times 4 over 3. So it's gonna be 4 over 3. Then we minus by 2 equal to 0. So let's proceed. So 3 we multiply with the bracket x minus 2 over 3 square minus by 4 over 3. This 2 we need to multiply by 3, so it's gonna be 6 over 3. So 6 divided by 3 equal to 0. So we got 3, and then x minus 2 over 3 square minus 10 over 3 equal to 0. Okay, to get rid, so we plus by 10 over 3 both of sides. So we got 3 times x minus 2 over 3 square equal to 10 over 3. Get rid of this number 3. So we divide by 3 both of sides. So it's only x minus 2 over 3 square equal to, here we got 10 over 3. We divide by 3 over 1. So this equal to 10 over 3 times 1 over 3. So this is power of 9. So this will be 10 over 9. So to get rid of the square, so we make it square root both of sides. So x minus 2 over 3 equal to plus minus square root of 10 over 3. Okay, get rid, to make it only x, we plus by 2 over 3 both of sides, 2 over 3. So we got it here. Let me write it here. So the first x is gonna be, we got 2 plus square root of 10, and we divide by 3. As the denominator of them are equal 3. And then x2 we got 2 minus square root of 10, then we divide by 3. Okay, there it is. I will continue to the next chapter, next part. Thank you.